Hello everyone! So, kamusta po ang Valentine's Day ninyong lahat? Isa ba kayo sa nagsana all o kayo yung sinana all ng mga friends ninyo? Kaya nitong Valentine's Day, usong-uso yung mga pa-surprise na event, yung delivery. Dito ko na-discover yung Toktok app. I stumbled upon this Facebook page, the JNC page, tapos nandun complete information sila about this Toktok application. So before installing it, ayan, in-explore ko yung Facebook page nila and nakita ko din dyan na yung Toktok application pala, bago lang siya, pero meron ng 150,000 users. Syempre, before installing something, kailangan mo na maging sure ka, diba? So, dito nga nakita na, okay, this is legit. And at the same time, ang nandito pa talaga na nagpo-promote nito is no other than Alden Richards and Maine Mendoza. And naka-yellow sila, just like me. Wala lang, share ko lang. Okay, so, yun na nga. Nung nakita ko to dito, and naghahanap talaga ako ng delivery app na, for me, okay. So, I give it a try. That is why naisipan kong gawin tong vlog na to para magbigay ng tutorial dun sa hindi pa nakakapag-install nito and to those na hindi pa nakaka-experience na gumamit ito because based on my experience, okay yung application na to. And at the same time, nakita ko rin dito sa Facebook page na may referral code. So at first, I was wondering para saan tong referral code na to. So nung in-install ko yung Toktok app, yon hihingan ka pala, mas better pala if you will enter a particular code in that part kung saan hihingan ka nga nila ng if you have the code. So syempre, ayan. So ginamit ko yung referral code ng JNC na Facebook page. Now, if you want to explore their page, I will put it on the description box below. You may click it. Ayan. And for you to see, kasi napansin ko may iba rin sila mga products na tinda, just like copper mask. Ayan. So, available din siya. Now, going back to Toktok, ayun na nga. Nakakatuwa yung delivery app na to. Napaka-impressive. Bakit? Number one, it's very easy to install. So, if you are an Android user, punta ka lang sa Play Store mo. Tapos dyan, tingnan mo yung option na to ha. Yan yung titingnan mo na icon. Tapos, yan yung for Toktok users. If say, for example, ikaw yung magpapadeliver, ikaw yung dideliveran. So, yan yung application icon nila. So, you would not get lost. After that, it's very easy to install nga. This application will just simply ask for your basic information such as your name, cell phone number, and yun nga, insert the code. Ayan. So, aside from that, tinry ko siya na ipakita sa inyo kung bakit ko siya nagustuhan. Number one, di ba? Ano ba ang hinahanap natin sa delivery app? Siyempre, yung mura. Yung mura, tas maayos yung service. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo, for those who are familiar with SM Novaliches and SM North, these two branches of SM is somehow far from each other. Nasa 8 kilometers yung layo nila, and plus ma-traffic, diba? So, try natin gamitin yung application para ma-familiarize din kayo on how to use this. Alright, so hello mga ka-Toktok. Eto na nga, try natin gamitin yung application ng Toktok. So, first muna, makikita nyo dito sa bandang ilalim, meron ditong nakalagay na information mo, tapos sa ilalim, recipient. So, click mo yan. Assuming natin na sender details, this is your detail. Tapos, para makita ninyo ha kung gaano kaganda yung service nito and gaano kamura. So, see for example, the sender will be coming from SM North EDSA Annex. So, ayan. Tapos, lagay natin dito ang landmark is BDO. Confirm. After that, si recipient naman will be coming from, say for example, the name of recipient is Conculits. Please do click subscribe, like this video and share. So say for example, si Conculits ay manggagaling sa SM Novaliches. Alright. So, SM Novaliches, tapos nandun siya sa front or sa main. So, lagay natin Dunkin Donut. Tama ba spelling ko? Dunkin' Donut. Ayan. So, let's confirm. Order type, you can choose, is this as soon as possible? Urgent ba? Is this scheduled? So, kapag pinindot mo yung scheduled, pwede ka mamili. Scheduled date, is it today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, or until next week? Imagine gaano kaganda to, na pag make a transaction ka talaga, ahead of time, masaset mo to, and hindi ka mag-aalala na baka makalimutan mo. So, it will also serve as your reminder din, ano? And then, after that, halimbawa, today, pwede mo ring piliin, kanino ba i-collect ni Toktok Delivery yung payment? Is it from you as the sender, or is it from the recipient? So, say for example, recipient. You can choose whether to have an express delivery wherein yung order mo will be placed in a high priority. It's just that you have to add 40 pesos. Ano ba naman yung 40 pesos, 'di ba? If alam mo talaga na makukuha yung product mo, especially kapag yung product mo is food, ayan, yun talagang kailangan ma-deliver na. Now, you can also choose this one, cash on delivery. Rider pays sender and collect cash from recipient. Additional 40 pesos on top of delivery fee. Imagine gaano siya kaganda. You, as the sender, if say for example, may kailangan kayong bayaran sa isa't isa, pwedeng si driver yung magbayad muna sa'yo. Tapos, pagdating na lang kay sender, or kay recipient, pagdating kay recipient, si recipient magbabayad kay driver. So, bagay ito dun sa mga transactions na medyo worried kayo sa isa't isa, whether sure ba makakarating. So, Toktok will really assure both the sender and the receiver. Ayan. So, mamili naman kayo ano yung item description, document, food, clothing, large. So, malalaking ano, no? You know what? Sa food, I have an experience with a particular delivery product. Yung cake nasira. So, wala kasing option doon na ganito, no? So, kapag cake, pwede mo lagay dyan na cake yan, and then please handle with care. Handle with care. Ayan. So, after that, ayan, enter promo code if there's any, and then click next. Pag click mo yung next, dyan mo na makikita magkano yung fee na babayaran mo. And I have that one. Okay, tingnan natin yung fee. Ayan. So, imagine kung gaano kamura itong Toktok Delivery considering na one came from SM North EDSA and the other one came from, or the other one na padadalhan ng item, or ang location niya is SM Novaliches. Sobrang sulit talaga nitong Toktok na to. We as users, ang hinahanap natin is talaga yung mga mura na ganito. So, yan. So, I hope that you have learned from this tutorial. And once again po, if this is the first time na you have reached into my channel, please do click subscribe. And don't forget that upon using the initial time na i-install nyo to, don't forget to use the referral code, and at the same time, explore this Facebook page na nakita ko po, na yung link nila nasa baba, ha? So, dyan yung mas marami kayong matututunan about this application. So, ayan, especially sa mga mommies na mahilig magbenta ng mga pre-love nila gamit ni babies, tapos ang ginagamit yung mode of how they call this, yung shipping is same-day delivery. So this is the app for you. So thank you very much for watching. God bless us all.